We're here at Gilly Lake today for the maiden voyage of Kevin's new toy. Seems to be running pretty good. Got a few final adjustments to make to get top speed out of it, but boat seems to be running good. Started up really well. And again, we got to run several tanks of fuel through it to break the motor in. So he's probably not going to go wide open just yet. He's getting on it a little bit. Let's see if we can zoom in a little, get some closer video here. We're at Gilly Lake in upstate New York. Beautiful day on here Saturday, 70 degrees. Cold and possible snow tomorrow, but that's upstate New York weather for you. But we're out today, taking advantage of the beautiful day, doing what we love, racing model boats. Kevin worked hard all winter long putting this together. Zoom in a little closer here so we get some good views of the boat. Let's try this next turn. See if we can get a good close-up here. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel. Got a lot of different boats on there you can check out, from electric, scale, tugboats, sport fishing boats, military. I try to video a variety of different models for everybody to see. Everybody likes something different. Some like to go fast, some like to go slow. And even got a sailboat on the video channel, so take a look at those videos and see what you think. Again, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Here comes the boat. All right, nice maiden voyage. She's running good.